Hi, my name is Andrei Jikh. Hope you're doing well. Come for the finance and stay for the completed house tour. So back in February, I bought a house and I showed you what it looked like. I then showed you what the remodel process looked like, but I never showed you the finished house until now. So 6 months, thousands of dollars, and tens of thousands of headaches later, and this is what the house looks like today. This is me showing Landon and Jesse, which are also known as the Blvd brothers, the guys who helped bring this to life, the complete furnished house tour. So let's go. So I'm excited to show you guys what I've done and how I've furnished it, and then you guys can explain to people watching what we did, because we completely transformed the entire house.
I honestly haven't seen it with any furniture in it, so just right now it already looks like a totally different house.
Dude, walking in, this looks amazing. And I love the first thing we see is this huge block of quartz we put right here in the kitchen.
So I love this waterfall kitchen feature. This is what, a 3-inch thick slab right here?
Right.
So we put in a 3-inch slab, and I just love the way it looks.
You have to be getting compliments on this thing.
Yeah, we went round and round trying to figure out how to make this island something special. When you walk in, it feels like a huge block of quartz, like a big stone. And then I love how on this side you got your breakfast bar with seating and the shiplap underneath.
So this is one of my favorite parts about the Blvd design, is they kind of shiplap a lot of stuff, and I just love that design. It just makes the house look very warm and homey, and just, they shiplap everything. Just shiplap everything, you can't go wrong.
If you're remodeling your house and you need to accent walls, shiplap is a very affordable way to do it. It's in trend, and it looks great when it's done.
Yeah, in case you don't know what shiplap is, it's kind of, it looks like a ship, right? Like the side of a boat.
It's a very coastal item.
Yeah.
You know, but it can be done very cheaply, and that's why we do it. It gives you an awesome look.
Yeah.
But so we look for stuff like that.
Yeah.
We can dress it up, make it look great, but at a really nice cost.
There we go. So let's come
Let's take them into the kitchen.
So, I love the cabinets and just the way it turned out. Look at this color combo.
You
Dark
know, that
gray.
was your idea too.
Yeah.
If you notice the rest of the kitchen, all white, and then this gray, that two-tone was something you really wanted.
Yeah, so I didn't want it all white. I wanted a little bit of contrast, and ideally this would have been black, but I think it looks really nice with the dark gray.
Very cool.
It turned out nice. And notice the hardware here is gold. It's not black like the rest of the handle. So gold, I just think it looks like a nice tone. So we have a little also fridge, mini fridge here.
Yeah, and the gold's nice because it's cohesive with all your lighting fixtures as well. So it really ties the lighting fixtures.
Homes that are priced, I want to say $800,000, $900,000, like everything is soft close.
Oh, has to be.
That's like a must.
Absolutely.
Okay, so this is what I mean. So you open this up and it's like, boop, soft
Nothing
close.
slams.
No.
Wow.
Isn't that nice?
It's one of those features that you're like, I don't care. But then when you have it, you're like, how did I live without it?
Now, next time you go to a house and you pull a drawer out and it slams closed, you'll notice it.
I do
yeah.
notice that.
Yeah.
I do notice that. So come on into the kitchen. Look at this fridge.
Oh, that's a beauty.
Sub-zero.
Yeah.
What?
You gotta open it for us. Let's see what's in it.
Show 'em.
I'm scared. Hold on. Let me. All right, it's fine.
It looks good.
It looks good. It's full.
Yeah.
Stop.
You guys are eating good here.
Yeah.
I love it. And we went through a couple of fridge designs,
My
a couple of appliance
favorite.
Cool
designs.
snack.
Dude, my favorite.
Little
Baby
baby
Bell?
bells.
Oh my god.
Sponsor me, Baby Bell.
Sponsor me, Baby Bell.
Dude, how good does the butcher block look though?
That's so cool. I love this part.
It
Remember how
warms
like,
the kitchen up so well.
yeah, and it was so not pretty before. It was that tiger quartz, was it?
It was whatever it was terrible.
Tiger white granite. I'm sure that will flash back and forth, but this thing looks great.
You know what's really nice about this too?
What's that?
Don't be afraid to use it.
Really?
The more you use this,
I could, like, cut
into
it?
Absolutely. The more you cut into it and use it, the more it has more character to it.
And I love this hardware. Look at that black and gold. So it kind of ties in the gold hardware put there, and the black is just awesome.
Yeah, and the nicest part about this is it's not too expensive, and you could find it right on Amazon as well.
Yeah, how much was this? I think it was like $150 or so.
I think it was $150 or $199, but it's nice that you could find these right on Amazon. They deliver super fast.
Yeah.
So, you know, if you're looking for more affordable or easy to get appliances or fixtures, we use Amazon and we use Wayfair a lot.
No, yeah, pretty much everything here is Wayfair or Amazon. So it's very attainable cost-wise. And I just love the way it turned out. And oh my god, okay, how could I miss this? How could I miss
Skip
this?
right over the hood.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my favorite part. Everything's my favorite part, but this is a pot filler, which I got from this guy.
That's the Jesse special right there.
That is just like, I love this. So the idea is Go ahead, explain it. What's
Oh,
the
of
idea?
course. Well, you know, none of us when we're in a luxury home can be bothered to take our pot and move it all the way. Look at that, 3, 4, 5 steps all the way over to here, the sink. So while you're cooking, while you got stuff going right here, you can add water, fill a pot. It's just that little convenience factor, but even if you don't use it a lot, it just looks so nice in that space.
How much was it?
I think it's $150.
For the hardware.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then to install it was maybe another $250 to $300.
That's it. Yeah, so you're running the water line from the fridge all the way to here, and that's it. And now you got your water supply.
Exactly.
Let's go to the living room. This is it.
I know.
Remember when there was a giant closet right here? It's gone.
Was it a fireplace too?
It was a fire.
Both, yeah.
Yeah, we had a big fireplace with a chimney to the ceiling.
Yep.
It really made this room feel separated. It made it feel small and awkward.
Yep.
This
Now
was-
the flow kind of goes through, and I can go to the backyard freely without it obstructing the view, which is awesome. And I don't know if you remember in previous videos, I talked about kind of the concrete when we pulled out the stuff in the closet. So this was our solution to that. This is river rock that we put here, which I think is awesome because I've seen it in all the Blue Heron designs. And
Very high-end design.
it's a really cool high-end design that's, again, very cheap to do, and it kind of brings the outside in, and I just think it looks awesome.
Yeah, that's really cool what you did there.
Do you guys like my Jesus table?
This thing looks heavy.
We
This
had
thing
like,
looks like a piece of a Noah's Ark.
dude, we had like 2 big guys bring this in here.
Oh, so
and
it's solid.
Oh, this is solid wood?
this is like 600 pounds.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I call it the Jesus table. Compliments of Angelo, who's filming this. He's like, that looks like the Jesus table.
Dude,
I actually really like a lot of the decor and stuff. Now
Thank
that this
you.
is in
Yeah.
and furnished, it just feels so comforting. Like it
Yeah.
feels so warm and
It really
inviting.
does.
I really like that, yeah. And then this is the couch, which I'm really happy with. This is not a cloud couch. It is a dupe from a store here in Las Vegas. So from Restoration Hardware, this thing would cost like $20,000, which I can't justify that because we have a dog and he's not very clean. So this was a lot more affordable. I believe this was only, well, it was $4,000. So it was still expensive.
Sure.
But
it's a
not-
big couch.
It's
But
a
not
big
20,000.
couch,
It's
so.
okay, just for context, here's how big it is. Look how small I am here.
Yeah.
I look like a child in this couch.
I will say you kind of disappear in it.
We're gonna start something called 3 Grown Men on a Couch. And we're just gonna talk about
New
this.
podcast.
Podcast idea.
So let me show you guys. Oh, this is also this is actually from Restoration Hardware,
Cool.
which I love. I love the contrast between neutral colors and black and white and a little bit of gold, and it just looks really nice. And
Not even just that too. I'd say you did a really good job with the different textures in the house.
Thank you.
That adds a lot of differentiation too. If you have everything that's all smooth or all wood, it gets a little too much.
Right. I have a lot more to show you guys. See
wait.
how I
Let's go check
did.
it out.
See
Can't
how I
wait.
did. Let's go see the bedrooms. Sweet. This is Angelo's room. Bam.
It was all a dream, baby.
Yeah, see, when girls sleep over here, I'm gonna change that neon sign to it was all a nightmare when they wake up in the morning.
You got it set up. That's nice.
So I see that you put this stack stone along the entire back wall.
So that was Corey's dad, and he's incredible with things like that. So if you guys need help with that, he's awesome. But this is what we did, and I just think it's the easiest and cheapest way to make anything look extremely high end. Instead of giving an accent paint, you are putting a texture on the wall, like stone. So let me just turn up the light, see if you can kind of tell what it looks like.
You got some vibe lighting in
Look
here.
at that. I don't know if you can tell a little
This
bit,
is
right?
crazy, man.
Yeah, it's awesome. And he's got his lightsabers on the side, so.
No, this is really
Yeah,
cool.
this looks super high end, man. It really looks good.
Thank you. Let's go see the other bedroom.
Oh.
Look at this.
We got our stack stone again too,
How
but
sick
nice
is that?
accent wall.
Yeah, it just adds so much to it.
Yeah.
And it's, again, not that expensive.
You know what's cool though? A lot of people want to, when they renovate a house, make everything the same and
Right.
every room the same.
Right.
But having different bedrooms, like this one's slightly a different color.
Yeah.
It's cool. They're different bedrooms anyway. Why
Yeah.
not decorate them a little different?
Exactly, yeah, make it a little different. And by the way, this in material cost was about $300 from, I want to say Home Depot, I believe is where I got this from. So
Good
this
pick.
is
Wow,
not
that's
that
really
expensive.
cheap.
Yeah, for $300, really great. And the install, I want to say, was about $1,000, which
Pretty much just labor.
yeah, pretty
Yeah.
much labor for this, which I think is awesome.
Yeah, I think it's important that we show everyone this floor because this looks like an ultra high-end man-made wood floor.
It does.
True wood floor.
But what is it, LVT?
Right. It's actually a product called LVT, which is luxury vinyl tile.
Yeah.
And the reason we wanted to at least introduce this to you was because the look you were going for is an awesome look.
Yeah.
But using an engineered hardwood or a real hardwood
Right.
can be like $10, maybe $15 a square foot. It's super expensive. But this material, you can find anywhere from $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 a foot. So a lot of cost savings.
Yeah, so it looks like wood, but if you wet this, it's perfectly fine.
Right, that's the nicest thing about it. If you have pets, if you have dogs, it's waterproof, it's super durable to scratching. Real wood or engineered hardwood, you gotta always oil it or grease it and you gotta take care of it. So
you don't want any man wood.
super durable.
No man wood.
No man wood.
But
No man wood.
this is perfect for Rito, honestly.
It is.
He can go anywhere he wants, as fast as he wants, and can't ruin a thing.
Right? Yeah, so this is our den area. This is where we kind of hang out in the mornings. Maybe we'll drink some coffee. We'll get some work done here. And if you come right through here, you'll see Corrie's paintings. She does a lot of painting with colors, which is kind of cool. So.
You know, one of these, like maybe a larger one? would
Yeah,
look
that's
awesome
what we want to
down
do
there.
downstairs,
That would look
but
super
more
cool.
along the lines of this, but like a really big version of that.
Got it.
It's like really textured.
Yeah.
And it's, anyway, I think it's
It's like 3D almost.
Yeah. So this is, the hangout spot.
I like
Dude,
this.
how about the wall of glass?
And this is probably the coolest part. So if you remember in the previous video, and in the first video I showed you the house, this was not here. This entire wall was not here, which means that we didn't really have a bedroom. This whole thing was open.
A little awkward.
Yeah, and now we put what's called a criddle style, which is kind of, I want to say, New York, Old English style room divider. And this is just made of iron or I think aluminum.
Aluminum, right.
And glass. So this was probably the most expensive part of the remodel. This was about the 20 grand, so it was a lot. But it was worth it because then it gives us some privacy.
Exactly.
And if you come on right through, we put these curtains right here to divide the room. It's pretty cool.
This totally makes it feel like a New York style loft.
Yeah.
And it needed to be done because if you didn't have any sort of break, maybe like for sound or anything,
Right.
like this is totally open to that open living room
Right.
and then downstairs.
Yeah, which is weird. You want some soundproof.
Yeah.
You know what I mean.
I love how you carried the LVT though all the way through the loft though into the bedroom
Yeah,
and
it just
into
flows.
the bathroom.
Before we see the bathroom, this is the bedroom. This is what it looks like.
So nice and neutral. All the the tones that you use, the
Yes.
colors, and then the different woods.
Yes.
It's really, really comfortable.
Appreciate
And that's
it.
exactly what you want in your bedroom.
Yeah, you want comfort and you want a homey feeling, and I think this really separates it.
Yeah, but look how cool the light is too. The lighting
that-
that you
that shit
chose
there.
throughout the property,
Yeah.
throughout the house, dude, it's really cool.
Where'd you get that one?
Which one?
That one right there.
This is Wayfair for like $100, I
Again,
think.
Wayfair for the win. Love it.
Never,
It looks
never
good.
fails us.
Yeah, this is the pièce de résistance,
Oh,
the bathroom, which is, how cool is that? And this is courtesy of Landon and Jesse, because they designed this, and this is so cool. They were
I love
like,
it.
oh, put some river rock here. How cool is that? What?
Put the tub in the shower. Wait a
The
second.
tub
Why does it feel like a spa?
Yeah, do you remember how there was a wall here and you
Yeah.
couldn't, there was just a complete solid wall with the tub outside? Ah, now it looks awesome.
You also had a super weird extra fireplace
Yeah,
right there too.
there was a fireplace literally right here, and it's gone. So, and this is what it looks like.
And once again, you carry the theme of the black hardware and the black fixtures throughout the house. On the wood, it looks really warm. And then inside of the shower with the marble and Carrera
He's getting in.
tiles.
He can't help himself. He's gotta get in.
What?
You know, the last time that we actually saw this, it was just all the renovation was finished.
Right.
But even the little details like the bath caddy and the towels and all the stuff you put in, it made such a big difference.
Yeah, it looks awesome. I just love it. You could take a bath at the same time you taking a shower, which is cool. And you get the little, what do you call those? Massagers?
Discussions, not the body sprays.
Oh man,
We've been through hell and back with those.
They're still not done. So this is this is the bathroom, and this is anyway, not relevant. This is
Got
cool though. This is the closet right here, and nothing is different here except for the carpet, which is, you can't see it on video, but you can feel it, and it feels like you're walking on a cloud.
When you're renovating a house, don't worry about like spending a lot of money on the actual carpet. You can buy a cheaper carpet as long as you do not skimp on the pad.
Yeah,
Dude, this closet, if you're starting over with it, is a very expensive closet. You're looking at like $20,000.
We did do that.
What? Okay, so this is cool. The
Yeah.
door, we added the door here. So instead of having to go all the way around as we went through the side doors, we built a little door in here, which means you can come outside and you're right back in the den again. What's up? Magic. And that way if you forget something, which I do all the time, I can just come back up and come back down. This is it.
Dude, this is super cool down here. This is fun, man.
Yeah, so we added the paintings, we added the theater room. Looks like this.
That's so 2 projectors in the house now?
Yeah, look how big this screen is, just so you have an idea. It's huge.
Yeah.
And we have this super sack, the love sack.
Gotta love a love
So
set.
jump on it?
Yeah.
Give it a jump.
So it's a theater for one.
It is.
You need a couple more. I love how we added all the track lighting throughout the house because
Yes.
the amount of light that you have in here, it really sets the mood in every room. So dude, you gotta show us the best part of the house where you
Yes.
work your magic.
This
the
is-
secret room.
This is where the magic happens, so. Oh, by the way, check this out. Look at the rug. The Charizard. Yes.
Big beefy
What?
dogs.
This is so different than what you probably remember it to be.
Because this was a shell.
This was
you know,
a shell.
we
This
put
was-
lighting in, we did the walls, we did everything else, but it was totally a shell, and now you put your spin on it, and it looks awesome.
This is the studio. So this is studio set 1, right here. This is where I film my videos. This is angle 1. This was the original one where I started my YouTube videos. I recreated it in this studio. And then we have the second one, which is over there. And then of course we have the third one in the center of the room, which I haven't used yet, but I want to maybe for a podcast or something else. And this is the third one right here.
You use the space so well by putting those 3 setups there.
Yeah, it kind of has a little bit of variety. And notice behind you is a stone wall, which again, we're using that same textured technique to add a lot more of a high-end feel to the room. So this is the stone wall, which I really love. And then,
Dude, this place looks great.
thank you. And then I can show you guys outside, and there's one little extra feature because I'm Russian. My Russianness is coming out, so I gotta show you this thing.
All right, now I'm interested.
Is this right here? Ready?
Oh, yeah.
When did you
Son.
build this out?
This is sauna. Corey's dad built this too.
So cool.
Really cool. What?
Just big enough for you, right?
Yep, watch this. 3, 2. Здравствуйте. Hello, my name is Andrei Jikh, and today I start new podcast channel where I interview guests inside sauna. And as question get harder, sauna get hotter until it's very очень hot. I'm not really gonna talk like this or wear this hat. Or maybe I will. Subscribe down below and you'll find out. It's gonna be pretty cool. This is it.
This looks a million times better than what it was before. It
So
had
much
that
better.
Weird, grotto style, old stone, old rock jacuzzi in it.
Come on
Man.
in. So this is the white stone that we put in here. So this is what I want to replace the downstairs with, this white stone. And then we took out the giant water feature. It was completely useless.
Oh.
And we put this turf.
One piece of advice that I'm just so glad that you took is the wood wall.
Yes, this is my favorite.
It's so
this was
so good.
Landon and Jesse's idea. So this right here is cedar, which is like just a wood backing here, which just completely transforms and makes it look so much more high-end.
Nothing this good comes out with cooperation from both sides. You put a lot of your own ideas into this too. And
It was all my idea.
And we're working with us though. I think the give and take, the back and forth, it
Yeah.
turned out awesome.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. Seriously, huge shout out to both Jesse and Landon for all their help. They have a YouTube channel that shows you everything about buying, selling, flipping, remodeling. So go show them some love, subscribe to them, and I promise you will learn so much about real estate. I also want to thank Corey's dad for all of his help. He's extremely talented, so I will leave their contacts down below in case you want to buy, sell, or do something to your house in Vegas. Also, if you want to learn exactly how much this cost and what it took, I will leave the links down below for all the other videos as well. Love you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you back here on Monday, Friday, sometimes a Wednesday. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.